Paying your Chime Credit Builder card involves the following steps. Access your account. Log into your Chime mobile app or online account using your username and password. Navigate to Payments. Once logged in, locate the Payments or Transfers section in the app or website menu. Select Payment option. Choose the option to make a payment from your Chime spending account to your Credit Builder secured card. Enter payment details. Input the amount you wish to pay toward your Chime Credit Builder card. You may have the option to make a minimum payment, pay the full balance, or enter a custom amount. Choose funding source. Select the funding source from which you want to make the payment. This is typically your Chime spending account where your deposited funds are held. Confirm payment. Review the payment details to ensure accuracy, then confirm the transaction. Payment processing. After confirming, the payment will be processed and the amount will be deducted from your Chime spending account balance. Verify payment. Once the payment is processed, you should receive a confirmation notification or email. You can also check your Chime Credit Builder card balance to ensure the payment has been applied. Set up autopay. Consider setting up automatic payments to ensure your Chime Credit Builder card is paying on time each month, helping to build your credit history positively.